happy students. Today we started an important topic in grammar, which is subject, predicate and phrases. And here we go. What is a subject? A subject is about whom or what we are talking. It can be a place, it can be a person, it can be a thing, or it can be an idea. So predicate is the remaining part of the sentence. For example, Deva is eating chocolate. Here we talk about Deva, and Deva is subject and remaining is predicate. The second example is the school reopens soon. Here we are talking about the school. So the school is the subject and remaining is the predicate. So followed by the subject and predicate concept, we completed an activity in a course book, page number 55. And in the workbook, we completed the page number 30. So subject and predicate are the simple concepts in grammar where you're going to find out about what we are talking about and the remaining subject as remaining sentence as predicate. The second concept which we went through is phrase. Phrase are nothing but they are the group of words. They will not have any verb in it. There will not be any action word in it. And they give only partial meaning, partial sense. For example, in the school, huge money, some chocolates on the table, for my mom, for Pranav. So all these small group of words, we call them as phrase. And based on the phrase, we have also completed an activity in the course book, page number 55, and in the workbook, page number 30. So this is all about subject and predicate, guys. And within another interesting session, I'll meet you. Bye.